Number 7, Marquette men's basketball lost to Xavier 59-57. So what exactly happened? I apologize if I'm looking down because I cannot memorize all this stuff. And this is a huge game in terms of conference here for the Big East. There are no more undefeated teams out there. It's literally Marquette and St. John's at 6-1. Xavier's now 4-4, by the way. So, and I will make mention up front, Marquette never had a lead in this game. They were even down as much as 19 points, I believe, but I will double check. I can't memorize all this stuff, so I apologize in advance. Yep, I'm right. So, Xavier was up 35-24 at halftime. Marquette picked it up offensively in the second half and defensively too. I mean, Xavier with 24 points while Marquette with 33. But there's obviously more to the game than that. Which is why I'm going to go over the last minute of the game and the stats. And granted, the stats are like in terms of percentages on the field goal and 3-point shooting. So it could have been really good defense and they still made shots. It is what it is. But obviously, they miss shots, they miss shots. So that's all I got to say. With 1:11 left in the game, Cam Jones from Marquette made a layup to make it 58-55. Xavier was up. Ryan Conwell missed a layup around 44 seconds left. Dalen Swain got the offensive board around 42 seconds left. And there was an offensive foul or illegal screen because there was a foul called around 31 seconds left on Zach Fremantle, which gave Marquette a chance to tie it up, potentially, or be down 1. Around 20 seconds left, Cam Jones missed a 3 to tie it up. Marcus Foster got defensive board around that time, and David Joplin fouled. They had to foul. Just try to extend this game out here. Marcus Foster went to the line, made the first, but missed the second, so it's a 4-point game, 59-55. And Cam Jones got the defensive rebound around 19 seconds left. And Cam Jones made a layup around 12 seconds left to make it 59-57. Marquette called timeout. And Xavier turned the ball over around 8 seconds left by Ryan Conwell. And David Joplin got the steal, but obviously Marquette did not get a shot up in time, or because they didn't record a single shot on the play-by-play. Yeah, literally, Xavier did not make another shot since almost the 2-minute mark. And I'm going to just double check that again. Yeah, 2:09 left, so I was pretty close. But you get the point. Now I will go over the stats. And Marquette did not shoot the ball great in this game. 37.1% from the field on 62 attempts. 27.6% on threes on 29 attempts. 42.9% on free throws, but that's on 7 attempts. 39 rebounds, 12 of those offensive, 12 assists, 6 steals, 5 blocks, 13 turnovers, 11 fouls. How many points off the bench? 2 plus 5, that's 7. Plus 3, that's 10. Plus 3, that's 13. And 2 double-digit scorers that combined for 29 points. I mean, 18 plus 11. And one of the players scored 6 more points in this game, had exactly 7. And Xavier had 9 bench points, 2 double-digit scores for 26 points. However, they had 1, 2, 3, 4 other players that scored 6 more points in this game combined for 6 plus 9, that's 15. Plus 9, that's 24. Plus 7, and that's 18, 24, 7. Yep, 31 points. And Xavier shot the ball better from the field. 40.4% from the field on 57 attempts. 11.8% on threes on 17 attempts. 68.8% on free throws on 16 attempts. 37 rebounds, 8 of those offensive. 12 assists, 8 steals, 3 blocks, 11 turnovers, 11 fouls. Now I will go over points off turnovers, points in the paint, and fast break points from here. Points off turnovers from Marquette 13-9. Fast break points favored Xavier 18-16. Points in paint favored Xavier 36-30. So it's not easy to go on the road and upset somebody. So kudos to you, Xavier. Now, what's the next 5 games for both of these teams? I'm going to start with Marquette here. You got to go on the road to Seton Hall January 21st. You should win that game, but anything could happen. Then you got Villanova at home January 24th. You got Butler on the road January 28th. That should be a win. Should be, in theory. Then you got UConn at home February 1st. You got on the road to St. John's, that's currently tied with you in the Big East, on February 4th. So that's the next 5 games right there. Now for Xavier, what's their next 5 games? You got to go on the road to St. John's. That's tough. On January 22nd. You got UConn at home January 25th. But if you could go on the road to Marquette and win, you could very well be UConn at home. You could. Then you got to go on the road to Creighton. That beat UConn today, in fact. On January 29th is that Xavier at Creighton game, by the way. February 4th, you got Georgetown at home. Then you got Villanova on the road on February 9th. So we're going to wait and see what happens to both of these teams here. So anyways, if you like this content, hit the like and subscribe button. See you guys later on the road to 7 subscribers. Of course, ultimate goal is 1,000 more. Some money. Let's go. So liking the video, comment the video really helps YouTube algorithm. Some more people see it. So the video does help as well. Some more people can watch. And if you're watching and not subscribe, hit subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well.